What's up, guys? Welcome back to Wrestlers, Toys, and Stuff. Oops, wrong one. That's tomorrow's video. This is the exploding Barbed Wire Deathmatch number 4. Can Kenny Omega... No, I don't want to play. Can Kenny Omega make his record 5-0? And he will be facing today Cody Rhodes. I think the only arena that we have yet to see is none of them. We've seen them all. So a full gear will just be this one.
Is an exploding barbed wire deathmatch.
This is it! An exploding barbed wire deathmatch!
Who do you think is walking out the winner? Is it the undefeated Kenny Omega?
Making his way to the ring, Kenny
Or is it the debuting on this YouTube channel, the American Nightmare, Cody Rhodes? At least he's at least debuting for the channel in the AEW Fight Forever game. He's appeared in WWE 2K23 on the channel. Oh, I thought Cody was going to throw Kenny into the barbed wire table. Kenny Omega and Ruby Soho had a really good match last week. Oh, Cody almost got thrown into the barbed wire ropes. "30 seconds until the ring explodes." Explosion has happening. I'm surprised no one's been thrown into the barbed wire yet. We're 4 minutes into this match and nobody has... Well, 4 minutes into the video. 2 minutes, probably like 3 minutes into the match, and nobody has gotten exploded, or nobody's got thrown into the barbed wire, and as I say that, Cody Rhodes runs right into that barbed wire table, and there's the power bomb, the trigger combo by Kenny Omega. Kenny Omega does have his one-winged angel. And the one-winged angel connects. Nobody's been able to kick out of it. And Kenny Omega remains undefeated. and becomes 5-0. 5-0 is Kenny Omega's new record in AEW Fight Forever. 4-0 on the Wrestler's Toys and Stuff channel. Well, that concludes this video, everybody. I will see you all tomorrow for WWE 2K23 Universe Mode Simulation and AEW Fight Forever Lights Out match.